New design Genuine Lockjaw OLY 2 Barbell Collar. Genuine Lockjaw Barbell Collar. 50% stronger than classic version. Quick Release Barbell Clamp. Strongest, most durable collar available on the market. Suitable for all 250mm Olympic bars. Top reviews from the United States. Best clamp/collar under $100. Best barbell clamp on Amazon in the sub $100 price range. My gym has tried them all. If you are repeatedly dropping deadlifts or Olympic lifting, these hold better than the rest. If you are not dropping weights, then get the cheap non-name brand ones. They hold for squats and bench type movements just fine at a fourth of the price. But if you are tired of constantly resetting your weights, these are the best I've found so far.